Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Moon Willow Beauty. I'm super excited to be filming my very first video for you guys today, and it's going to be a Colourpop unboxing. I recently took advantage of a free international shipping event that they had going on because I live in Canada and Colourpop is located in Los Angeles, California. So if you are wanting to buy from Colourpop and you are in Canada or anywhere else outside of the United States, you will be paying a shipping fee based on how much you order. So, I actually got some pretty good deals when I ordered. On top of the free international shipping, they also had their Super Shock eyeshadows on 3 for $10. They're usually $5 each. So I got 6 of those. And they also had a little Raid the Mini Bar thing going on. So if you spend $20 or more, you get a free mini of their Ultra Satin Lip. If you spend $30 or more, you get another one, etc., going up by $10 increments. So I got 2 of the Ultra Satin Lip Minis, and I also just bought a highlighter and a brow pencil. So let's take a look. These are my 2 little minis that I got of the Ultra Satin Lip. Came in a nice little package with a little card here. Just explaining what the product is, I guess. The full size of these are $6 US, and I got the color Frickin' Frack. As well as Prim. And I got those ones for free, like I said. This is my brow pencil in the color Blondie. Let's open that up. Comes with a nice spoolie on one end, and the product just winds up. So here's a swatch of that. It is super blonde, but as you can see, I am super blonde. And my eyebrows right now are darker because I was waiting for my Blondie pencil. Now, unfortunately, my Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the shade Over the Moon, it showed up cracked. I did contact Colourpop today about this product being broken, but they haven't gotten back to me yet, so I might just deal with it. They're soft and you can kind of form them back together. So let's take a brush and swatch that one. This is just a little synthetic brush. There's lots of purple reflex in that. Pinkish purple. Oh, you guys can't even see. I don't know if I like that very much, to be honest. Maybe I'll try without a brush and see how it swatches. It looks the same. I don't even think you can see that. So far we're off to a rocky start with the highlighters. So I did get another cracked product. Like I said, I contacted them, but no one's gotten back to me yet. They say to wait up to 48 hours. This is a Super Shock Shadow in the shade White Rabbit. It's a very nice copper tone. Copper orange, almost pumpkin-y with a lot of shimmer. So let's swatch this one. And that's the shade White Rabbit. Why it's called that, I have no idea. But it's nice, I like it. I definitely will use this color. This is a Super Shock Pigment. And this one's in the shade Hot Toddy. And that is a super, super pink shimmer. And this is probably one of the ones that I was most excited about getting. Hopefully it lives up to my standard. So let's swatch that one. Oh, yeah, that's nice. When you swatch it, there's not as much sparkle, but that's okay. That's Hot Toddy, and that is a Super Shock Pigment. This next product I was also super excited about. And this is the shade Luckfully, and it is a Super Shock Shadow. So that's this one. Showing up really dark, but it's like a blue, royal blue color. Swatch this one. I'm just grabbing, all my brushes are synthetic. I don't have anything special, so I just don't want the colors to get all muddy. So let's swatch this. That's one swipe of Luckfully, and I wanted to actually make a look with these two, Hot Toddy and Luckfully. I don't know how I would combine pink and blue, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So if you want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. The next shade I got is Porter, which is from the Kathleen Lights collection. And I believe this one is not vegan from what I read on their website. It's the only color that I ordered that is not. And it is a Super Shock Shadow. It's like a deep burgundy with little gold reflex. So let's swatch this one. So that's Porter. 2 more left. So this one is actually a matte. It has no shimmer in it. It's kind of like Porter, but like I said, there's no shimmer. So that is Keeper. And we'll swatch this. These are really an interesting texture. They're not a powder and they're not a cream. So, ooh. Sounds like a storm's a coming. This is the shade Keeper. It's like a pinkish, reddish, burgundy-ish. I don't even know how to explain that one. Sorry if you guys can hear that wind and rain out there. The last color I got is a Super Shock Pressed Pigment. And that is in the shade Kelp Me. That is a really pretty coral, orangey coral color, salmon maybe. And with lots of pink reflex in it. So let's swatch that one. And that is definitely not pigmented at all. Let's try that again. There we go. You can see that a little bit. It's definitely not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. And I was kind of excited for that one too, but you live and you learn, right? So I guess the final verdict for me, that's all the product that I bought. I'm not as excited as I was when I first ordered it. I guess you get what you pay for, and though some of the colors are pretty pigmented, overall I was pretty disappointed that 2 of my products came broken, and the shipping process was a little bit weird. They did give me a tracking number, but as soon as my product entered into Canada, there was no update on my shipping at all. It remained saying that it was in Vancouver, and it stayed that way for 9 days. I was actually surprised when I showed up at the post office this morning and it was there, because even as of now, it hadn't been updated that it was delivered. So that was a little bit disappointing that they gave me a tracking number and then it never got updated. The colors are nice. The formula is nice for the price, but if I had a choice again, I would probably just take the $46 that I used with the exchange and order something from more, I guess Colourpop's really reputable, but I would probably take my $46, round up to $50, and order something off Sephora or from somewhere else, or even just go to Walmart and throw a bunch of stuff in my basket, drugstore. So yeah, thank you for watching that unboxing, and if you guys want to see me do a look with the color, any of the colors that you saw today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.